If you are over 65, this message is especially for you, because today, we're going to talk about something powerful, something that can bring back your strength, your balance, and your confidence. You see, growing older doesn't mean growing weaker. It doesn't mean slowing down. It means getting wiser, moving smarter, and living stronger. And one of the best ways to do that is through 3 simple dumbbell leg exercises that can transform your body, your energy, and your outlook on life. Strength has no age limit because the human body was designed to adapt, rebuild, and renew itself at every stage of life. Even after 65, when many believe that strength naturally declines, science and real-life stories continue to prove otherwise. The truth is that your muscles don't stop responding to effort. They simply need consistent, mindful stimulation to awaken again. Every time you lift a dumbbell, every time you perform a squat or step up, you send a signal to your body that you're not done growing stronger. The key is to move with purpose, not pressure. You don't need heavy weights or long workouts. What you need is intention, control, and a belief that your body is still capable of progress. Think of your body as a loyal companion that's carried you through every moment of your life. It has faced wear and tear, but it has also built resilience, endurance, and wisdom. When you pick up those dumbbells, you're not just training muscles, you're teaching your body how to support you for the years to come. A simple dumbbell squat, done slowly and correctly, strengthens not only your legs but also your core and back muscles that protect your posture and balance. It reminds your body how to move efficiently, how to stay grounded, and how to rise with power. That movement alone can make standing up from a chair, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries feel effortless again. The dumbbell step up goes even deeper. It's a functional movement that trains your balance and stability. You're teaching your legs to handle real-life motion, one step at a time. When you step up onto a platform, you engage your thighs, glutes, and calves while also training your coordination. This exercise does more than build muscle, it rebuilds confidence. It tells your body that you can still trust your legs, that your balance is steady, and that your independence is yours to protect. Every controlled step is a step away from fear of falling, from hesitation, from limitation. Then there's the dumbbell calf raise, a deceptively simple move that keeps your foundation strong. Your calves are the unsung heroes of every step you take here. They absorb shock, stabilize your stride, and keep your body upright. When you strengthen them, you're fortifying the base of your movement. This helps you walk with a spring in your step, improves circulation, and reduces fatigue in your feet and ankles. It's a small movement with massive impact, reminding you that strength is built from the ground up. What makes these exercises truly transformative is not their complexity but their consistency. A few minutes a day is all it takes to reignite strength that may have been sleeping quietly within you. You don't need to push your limits or chase exhaustion. You need to move with patience and care. Over time, you'll notice not just physical changes, but emotional ones too. You'll start to move with greater ease, stand taller, and carry yourself with renewed confidence. That sense of control over your body translates directly into control over your life. As your strength returns, so does your independence. You begin to trust your body again, to walk without fear, to rise from a chair without support, to live without hesitation. That's what strength truly means after 65. It's not about lifting heavy or chasing numbers. It's about owning your body, protecting your mobility, and reclaiming your freedom. Every repetition you perform is an act of self-care, a declaration that your body still matters, that your health is still your priority. Age doesn't define your potential, movement does. Your muscles don't know your age, they only know effort, and they respond to what you give them. When you give your body movement, you give it life, and in return, it gives you strength that defies time. Nourishment fuels strength because what you put into your body becomes the foundation for everything you want to achieve via your energy, your movement, your recovery, and your vitality. After 65, your body still has incredible potential to build and maintain strength, but it needs the right materials to do it. You can think of your muscles like a house that's constantly being repaired. If you want the walls to stay strong, you have to provide the right bricks. Those bricks come from protein, vitamins, minerals, and water. Without them, Even the best workouts can't deliver their full benefits. Every meal you eat can either drain your energy or recharge your power. The choice is in your hands each time you pick up a fork. Start with protein, because it's the key to maintaining and rebuilding muscle. As we age, our bodies don't process protein as efficiently, so we need a little more to get the same results. Lean meats, fish, eggs, tofu, beans, and lentils are excellent choices. Having a bit of protein with every meal helps your muscles repair after strength training, reduces fatigue, and keeps you fuller longer. Think of a breakfast with eggs and whole grain toast, a lunch with grilled chicken or lentils, and a dinner with fish and vegetables. Each of these meals becomes part of your body's rebuilding process. When you combine them with regular exercise, the results multiply. You recover faster, feel stronger, and maintain lean muscle that supports your joints and posture. Equally important are the vitamins and minerals that support bone and joint health. Calcium and vitamin D are vital for keeping bones strong and reducing the risk of fractures or weakness. You can get calcium from yogurt, milk, almonds, and leafy greens like spinach or kale. Vitamin D often comes from sunlight, but you can also find it in salmon, fortified milk, or supplements if needed. Magnesium, found in nuts, seeds, and avocados, helps muscles function smoothly, while potassium in bananas and sweet potatoes balances fluids and supports nerve function. Every nutrient has a purpose, and when your body receives what it needs, it rewards you with energy and strength that lasts throughout the day. Hydration plays a role just as crucial as food. Many older adults underestimate how important water is for maintaining mobility and alertness. Muscles that are dehydrated lose flexibility and endurance, and joints can feel stiff or achy. By simply drinking enough water each day, you keep your circulation smooth, your digestion steady, and your energy stable. Herbal teas, soups, and fresh fruits with high water content, like cucumbers and oranges, also contribute to hydration. When your body is well hydrated, you feel lighter, your muscles recover better, and your balance improves naturally. Beyond nutrients, your relationship with food should be about nourishment, not restriction. Dieting can be harsh and unsustainable, especially later in life. What you truly need is balance, fuel that energizes you without depriving your body. Choose whole foods over processed ones. Eat slowly, and listen to what your body tells you. Food is not just about calories, it's communication. When you nourish yourself with care, you're telling your body, I value you. I want you to thrive. There's also a deep emotional connection between food and mindset. Sharing a meal with loved ones, cooking something fresh, or enjoying a simple cup of tea can all lift your spirit. Positive emotions influence digestion and energy levels, proving that mental nourishment is just as vital as physical. Your diet should bring you joy and strength at the same time. It's a daily act of self-love. When you eat with intention, you create harmony between your body and mind. Nourishment goes beyond individual meals, so it's a lifestyle. Consistency matters more than perfection. Even small improvements, like replacing sugary snacks with fruit or adding more vegetables to dinner, can have lasting effects on your strength and stability. When your body receives quality fuel, your workouts become more effective, your sleep improves, and your mood brightens. You wake up feeling refreshed, not sluggish. You recover faster after exercise and have more energy to enjoy your day. The secret is understanding that food isn't just for survival, it's your strength partner. Each nutrient you give your body contributes to how well it performs, heals, and adapts. You don't have to follow complicated meal plans or give up your favorite foods. Just focus on balance, variety, and color on your plate. Your body will recognize the care you're giving it and reward you with resilience, stability, and vitality that lasts. Because when you nourish from within, your strength naturally follows. Mindset is the real muscle, because no matter how strong your body becomes, it's your mind that decides whether you keep going or give up. At any age, but especially after 65, your thoughts hold the power to shape your health, your actions, and your confidence. When you wake up each morning and tell yourself you can improve, you've already won half the battle. The body listens to the mind, and the energy you bring to each day determines how you move, how you heal, and how you age. A strong mindset isn't about ignoring reality, it's about choosing to see possibilities instead of limits, hope instead of fear, and growth instead of decline. As we age, it's easy to let the world tell us that slowing down is inevitable. Society often paints aging as a decline, as if your best days are behind you. But that's not true. Aging is simply living longer, learning more, and gaining wisdom that your younger self never had. A positive mindset turns every passing year into a source of strength instead of a reminder of loss. It's about shifting your focus from what you can't do anymore to what you can still do, and often, that's more than you think. Every time you choose to move, eat well, or think positively, you're proving that you're still in control of your story. When you begin a workout with the belief that you can get stronger, your body follows that command. It responds to your intention. Even if your movements are small or your weights are light, your consistency tells your body that progress is expected. This belief creates momentum. The mind fuels the body with purpose, and the body, in turn, fuels the mind with proof that effort works. The relationship between the two is powerful, and it grows with every small victory. You stand taller not just because your legs are stronger but because your spirit is lifted. A positive mindset also changes how you view challenges. Instead of seeing stiffness, fatigue, or pain as reasons to stop, you begin to see them as signs that your body is adapting. Growth always comes with effort. The soreness in your muscles is proof of life, proof of change. You start to appreciate the process instead of dreading it. You realize that each repetition is not just physical training, it's mental training. It's teaching you discipline, patience, and resilience. These qualities go beyond exercise. They shape how you handle every part of your life. Fear often holds people back after 65. A fear of falling, fear of injury, fear of failure. But courage isn't the absence of fear, it's the decision to move forward anyway. When you pick up those dumbbells, even if your hands tremble a little, you're demonstrating courage. You're showing yourself that your willpower is stronger than your doubt. The more you practice that courage, the more natural it becomes. You begin to trust your body, your instincts, and your ability to improve. Confidence grows quietly, not all at once, but it grows with every step you take. There's also something deeply healing about gratitude and shaping a strong mindset. When you focus on what your body can do instead of what it can't, you shift your energy. You start to appreciate the strength that remains, the flexibility that's returning, and the freedom that movement brings. Gratitude keeps your spirit young because it keeps you present. Instead of worrying about age or comparing yourself to others, you begin to enjoy the momentum, the rhythm of your breath, the lightness in your steps, the feeling of life flowing through you. A positive mindset doesn't ignore the realities of aging, it embraces them with wisdom. It recognizes that rest is just as important as effort, that healing takes time, and that progress is personal. You begin to understand that strength isn't measured only in muscles but in your ability to stay consistent, optimistic, and open to learning. Each time you show up for yourself, you're reinforcing the belief that you're still capable, still improving, and still worthy of feeling strong. Over time, your mindset becomes your greatest asset. It keeps you motivated on days when your body feels tired. It helps you bounce back from setbacks, and it gives meaning to your journey. You start to live with intention, not out of routine. You no longer see exercise as something you have to do but something you get to do, a privilege, a celebration of life. When you strengthen your mind, everything else follows naturally. You eat better, move more, sleep deeper, and smile easier. Because when your mind is strong, you stop seeing age as an obstacle and start seeing it as a stage, a powerful, purposeful chapter where you finally have the time and wisdom to become your best self.